ready to ditch the chaos and bring laser-like precision to your construction projects. This video is your express ticket to mastering Primavera P6, the industry-leading software that transforms project nightmares into smoothly executed triumphs. First, let's launch Primavera P6 and create a new project. Go to the File menu, select New, and the project wizard will appear. Follow the prompts to define your project name, start date, and select an appropriate enterprise project structure, or EPS. The EPS determines where your project sits within the organizational hierarchy, impacting resource allocation and reporting. Choose carefully. Now, the heart of your project activities. Click on the activities icon. Begin adding tasks like site clearing, foundation laying, or electrical wiring. Structure them logically under work breakdown. Structure elements, or WBS. Think of WBS as chapters in your project story, breaking down the overall scope into manageable pieces. To add a WBS, click Project, then WBS, then begin adding. Time to connect the dots. Establish dependencies between activities. One task can't start until another finishes, right? Use the Relationships tab to define predecessors and successors. This creates the critical path, highlighting the tasks that, if delayed, will impact your entire project timeline. Let staff up. Navigate to the Resources tab and assign the right people, equipment, and materials to each activity. Define their availability and cost rates accurately. Primavera P6 will then automatically calculate the resource requirements and project expenses. Now, the moment of truth: scheduling. Click the Schedule button. Primavera P6 crunches the numbers and generates your project schedule, complete with a Gantt chart visualizing task durations, dependencies, and the critical path. Monitor progress against the baseline, tracking actual start and finish dates. Money matters. Use the Cost Accounts feature to track project expenses, compare budgeted versus actual costs, and identify potential cost overruns early. This proactive approach allows you to take corrective action and stay within budget. Finally, communicate your project's status with comprehensive reports. Primavera P6 offers a range of pre-built templates where you can customize your own. Generate reports on schedule, performance, resource utilization, and cost analysis, providing stakeholders with clear and concise insights. And that's it. Now you can be more precise on your next project.